It was a rainy evening. Emma was having dinner when her mother suddenly held her chest and said,
I don't feel well. I can't breathe properly.
Emma quickly called an ambulance.
Good evening. How can I help you?
My mother is having chest pain.
Please stay calm. What is her name?
Her name is Mary Johnson.
How old is she?
She is 58 years old.
Please fill out this form while the nurse takes her inside.
Hello, Mrs. Johnson. Can you tell me how you feel?
I feel dizzy, and my chest hurts.
When did the pain start?
About 8.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? We need to do an ECG and a blood test.
Is it serious?
Don't worry. We just want to make sure everything is okay.
After a short wait,
The test results are normal. Your mother has high blood pressure, but she is stable.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much.
Take the medicine twice a day, get enough rest, and come back for a checkup next week.
Emma smiled with relief. She was grateful that she had acted quickly. Learning English can help you communicate clearly in important situations, especially during emergencies.